In motorsport, ingenious innovations often emerge from a thorough examination of the rulebook. Sam Albert, a rally driver and instructor at Dirtfish Rally School in Washington State, embarked on an unconventional project after uncovering a loophole in the American Rally Association regulations. A 2004 Subaru WRX STI powered by a Ferrari V8 engine. The revelation that the American Rally Association allowed unrestricted use of a naturally aspirated engine up to 4.5 liters sparked Albert's interest. He then set out to find a suitable power plant, eventually settling on the Ferrari F136 V8 due to its impressive power density and comparable price to a competition-tuned Subaru Flat 4 engine. However, merging Japanese and Italian engineering proved to be far more challenging than anticipated. Custom fabrication was required to ensure the various components could fit together seamlessly, as there were no off-the-shelf swap kits available for such an unconventional engine swap. The final shakedown of the car took place before its debut at the Olympus Rally in Shelton, Washington. Albert and his co-driver and girlfriend, Krista Skukas, would be piloting the only Subaru powered by a Maranello-built engine, promising a unique and exhilarating experience as they tackled the rally stages. Achieving the Subaru's expected weight distribution was relatively straightforward, with Albert managing to maintain a close-to-stock 57% front 43% rear balance, albeit with a slight weight penalty of 50 kilograms. However, cooling posed a significant challenge due to the V8 engine's size, necessitating the relocation of the radiator to the rear and requiring experimentation to determine the optimal amount of ventilation. While the debut at MT Olympus didn't go as planned, Albert and Skukas later secured an overall victory at Canada's Big White Winter Rally in British Columbia. Looking ahead to 2024, Albert plans to utilize 3D modeling to optimize the STI's suspension geometry in SolidWorks, aiming to enhance performance for the upcoming rally season.